episode 1. Change his name?
Episodes, you'll see a series of
Alright, y'all. Let's look at what Tim can do.
Malcolm, Duke,
That's a tough shot.
This is the East Coast squad versus the
Chat, y'all ever played a nigga that, like, if he wasn't blocking it, he was gonna make it?
One of Detroit's toughest shot makers, Chris Biles.
He talking to him crazy. Okay, Tim. Hey. Oh, this was all in the same day. Let me get by you. Excuse me. That's a tough shot. That's such a tough shot to hit. I'm about to say JB on Apple Music. I'm gonna have to go find DTO audio tonight, but that's cool. We're getting right. My headphones tripping? No.
So at the 5 fouls, you get a free throw.
No.
3 and then 3. And then on game point, it resets. So if you have 4 fouls and they get to 12,
my headphones tweaking out, folks.
4-0 or whatever.
Chat, we good with the audio?
Other than that, anybody got any questions? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling before the game? Good, bro. We good. I'm feeling good. Yes, sir.
He look like he can ball.
Let's hit to compete, man. Good.
All his life versus opponents. That's a tough first shot. Coming out the gate hitting that is crazy. You can tell he do this though, bro. Nigga said his gun don't make no noise. Oh, yeah. He was not talking like this just a second ago, bro. I can't talk to him, bro. They in their hometown sound like too. Talk to him. Talk to him, bro. Oh, he tweaking, son. He tweaking, son. Alright, talk to me, bro. I still got my nigga Tim. I'm staying loyal to the game. That's a tough shot to swing through on. That's a tough shot to swing through, bro. He bought that from the hip. He bought that from the hip. Again? Oh my god. Why I don't know who this is yet. It's only 3-0. It's only 3-0 then. This nigga about ugly hell. That nigga about ugly hell. Alright, y'all, let's get back to hooping, man. I like the okay. He gotta get him out of that spot, bro. Top of the key is insane. Tim not getting skunked though. No way. Never on God's green earth my nigga Tim gets skunked, bro. For
Hey, his heart beating. He ain't gotta let him catch it right there. He can make His heart beating. His heart beating. Your turn.
Bro. I thought he hit that, bro.
Your turn. His heart beating. His heart beating.
Bro, that one dribble step. Oh my god.
Your turn.
Nigga, he hit that out. It was gonna be scary hours for Tim, bro. Okay, just like that, we right back in it, bro. 4-2. I'm liking this out of you, Tim. Nigga win this game. I'm texting him right after this. Oh yeah, let me rip through. Get by you. Lay and 1. 3-4. Talk to him, D-Bones. Talk to him, D-Bones. Get up in him, Tim. Get up in him, Tim. Talk to him. Oh, yeah. Stay still, bro. He shouldn't have shot it. He shouldn't have looked. Felt like he was being too cocky right there. So you a cocky hooper, bro? I'm about to say I'd be talking crazy after I win, which is very often, but 3-4. 3-4. Oh man, come on, man. I ain't trying to see your battleships, bro. Trying to watch my nigga Tim Carter dominate, bro. Get a little chippy. Get a little, okay. I be having nigga ready. Oh, you be chirping, bro? Oh my god. I didn't know you was you a chatter, bro. You be having niggas ready to fight cause you be giving them buckets? Or you be talking, yeah. Oh my goodness, you one of them. You one of them. I don't mind, bro. I don't mind it, man. Hey, bro, as long as you be getting right, bro, I'm all behind you, my boy. That's a tough shot, bro. That's a tough shot, bro. Gun to the head is crazy. Gun to the head is crazy. That's an insane celebration. Oh my god, bro. 6'3". 6'3". Oh my goodness. 6'3" is crazy, bro. About ugly. Chat, are y'all seeing what That's crazy. That's insane. That's insane, bro. How much better can you play that, though, bro? How much better can you play that, though, bro? I don't know. That's tough. He in his home gym, too. He's crazy. He's a madman. He's insane. That's tough. Tim is in there, though, bro. He's giving him pressure. Alright, Tim. Get back in the game, bro. He didn't walk, bro. He didn't walk, bro. What? Is he saying that Tim be in his city with no gun on him? Am I hearing things, chat? Too much space. Thank God he missed. He's trying to get him big buckets. That nigga thug for real. Tim, get in your bag, bro. Yeah, in there. Oh. You gotta get in your bag, Tim. Gotta get in your bag, Tim. A satchel? Nah, this nigga's wildin'. He's wildin'. He's wild. You get a free point for that? They get free throws?
Did you get that, Austin? It was an and one.
It's 9-3. That's tough. Look at his gather.
No, bro. No, come on, bro. Ain't no fucking way.
That's crazy, bro.
It's not 505, it's 101. Let the hood niggas,
He said, look, the hood niggas be there outside you. What's in your mouth, nigga? Did he not walk? Okay, alright. I'm about to take the court right, bro.
he just did, bro. Look, bro, the man blowing that fucking float.
That's crazy, man. Get in your bag, Tim. That's your shot, bro. That's your shot, bro. Nah, this nigga Debo control. Pressure. Oh. Oh. Now you gonna call a trap? I'm gonna start using that. We doing a little bit too much now. Hey. That's insane. That's tough. This nigga dribble pull-ups are insane. I'm about to say, bro, he doing the wrong thing right now, bro. Damn, Tim. Video good. Coming to the police.
Somebody go to Secretary of State, check his ID. Y'all sure that nigga wrong?
No, we about to go there and change it.
Oh my goodness.
19.
Okay. Okay. We're still in the game, Tim. Tap down. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream, D. He got a foul for that, bro? Oh my goodness, bro.
We playing in street ball now. Hey, if he's
Hey, bro, these music reactions about to flood in, man. Came back at the perfect time, bro. 11:48.
Alright?
Finna go in.
Yeah, shoot it with your left.
No. He made that? What the? Oh my god, bro. Oh my goodness, bro.
Listen.
He gonna foul for that.
Listen. That's one dribble. Make him use his left. He's a shooter. Hey, one dribble shot, that's a shooter move. Make him use the bit. Make him use it.
Talk to him, buddy.
Back up.
Make him use it.
Travel. He traveled. What the fuck?
There you go.
I have a challenge for all of you.
Hey, Mr. Deuce, you my guy, but we ain't doing your challenges, bro.
Your sister, your brother's computer.
We'll pass.
Hey, fucking travel.
Listen.
All right, man.
Any kind of shooter can take one dribble and shoot. They shoot.
You travel. I know you travel. And I called it. That's why I called it. Back it up.
Listen.
He might get dunked on.
Nigga say he might get dunked on.
Back up. He goes through it.
You gotta understand.
No, Tim in the game.
Bron don't even go left. If Bron go left twice, he's spinning. Come on. If Bron go left, he's spinning. Only way.
Get in your bag, Tim.
Right here. It's never away. You feel me? So when he takes it, push up, whatever he gonna do.
Do not get body bag right here, son.
Smack it before he get up. There you go. That's it.
That's him. That's him. That nigga to come out the shirt. Yes, Lord.
Back up.
Telling you music finna go crazy. Get in that bag, Timothy.
Free throw.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Talk to him, Timothy. They good misses too, bro. They good misses.
You think that? Don't call us off.
Who you running up? You know I'm running Trey first. Oh God, I'm running Trey first, nigga. The mainstream niggas they'll fit in where they can get in. Got Biles, Trey Dirt. Got all of them, bro. Coach Cheese dropping tonight too. There's a couple other niggas dropping, man. We can get on all of them. I think Fago dropped today too. Or he dropped yesterday. Hey, that shit packed up for him. I ain't gonna lie, he done. He ain't getting this one. Trey focus on the gameplay, bro. Tim? Oh.
There you go. Now you good. No foul. Oh, good. Turn over. Good job. I got it.
Ooh. Let me get by you. Yes, nigga. Yes. Come back, Tim. He was down by 9. 7, 8, whatever he was. Ooh.
I like it though.
Ooh.
I love it. Come on, Scoot up. Push him out. There you go.
Shout out, I don't know how long my headphones gonna hold out tonight.
You good. No foul. Nothing. One dribble. Watch it. One dribble. Stay solid. Oh, yeah. Oh! Come on.
He got a foul for that?
Come on. No.
He got a foul for that, bro.
Turn over.
He got the ball. Oh my God, bro. Oh my goodness.
I need one.
Nah, this nigga's crazy confident, bro.
Fuck no.
I know you got some fire shit for. Oh God, bro. Oh God, it's only right, son. Tim, come on, man. We need 2 buckets, bro. We need 2 buckets, Tim. Get in your bag, Tim. Yes. Tie game, Tim. I don't care about none of them jump shots he was hitting, dog. Talk to him, Tim. Ain't nobody booming no more, nigga. Talk to him, Tim. Talk to him. And Tim ain't said nothing the whole game. Tim, you getting the message tonight, my nigga. You getting the message tonight, my nigga. Tim is that nigga, bro. And them niggas ain't doubt him for a second, nigga. My nigga Tim, bro. Stay home, nigga. Came back from down 3-9, 3-10 almost, bro.
mad. I'm locked in. I ain't gonna lie.
Tough. Trey, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like me and your matchup will go like this. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, y'all. It's 10:55. It's 10:55. That's a W video from the East Coast squad though.